It is possible to connect the DA22KE to the PC in serial mode or via a LAN cable. This way, it will be possible to use the DAC software to modify the device settings or to create and edit the configuration files of the data logger. To start, launch the DAC software, access the Tools menu, and select the Target option. Set the DA22KE data logger model to enable the device's specific communication features. To connect the DA22KE data logger to the PC in serial mode, use a USB to RS-232 converter. Ensure that the operating system correctly recognizes the device and note the COM port assigned through Windows Device Management. Use a 9-pin female-to-female RS-232 null modem cable, necessary to ensure electrical compatibility between the PC and the data logger. Open the DAC software and access the Tools menu, then Setup. Select from the drop-down menu the COM port corresponding to the detected converter. Set the communication parameters as follows: speed 9600 baud, 8 bits, no parity. To verify the correct connection, access the Execute Station ID function and press the Request button. If the configuration is correct, the data logger will respond with its station identifier, for example, data logger number 159. After confirming the communication, proceed with configuring the device according to the specific needs of the application. To establish communication via Ethernet network, assign the PC an IP address belonging to the same subnet as the data logger, which has a predefined static IP address, 192.168.1.5. Access the network settings of the operating system, select the Ethernet tab, and manually configure the IPv4 address. The gateway is not necessary. Open the DAC software, select Call, then Connect. Enter the IP address 192.168.1.5 and the port 502. If the connection is successful, a message confirming the activation of the TCP communication will appear. Again, to test the connection, access the Execute Station ID function and press Request. The response from the data logger will confirm the connection. At the end of the operations, disconnect the session by selecting Call, then Disconnect. Follow this procedure to establish a stable and reliable communication between the DA22KE data logger and the DAC software, both in serial and Ethernet mode. For further details, consult the technical documentation provided by the manufacturer.